Hello, my grubby babies. We're grubbing. We're grubbing. It tastes so good like I knew that it would. We're grubbing. Because that's me. I'm Grubn Gina. Ah! Hello. Today I'm coming before you with a quick what's in my refrigerator. Nothing special. Just thought I would share with y'all a few things that we keep in our refrigerator pretty much like on a daily basis. So, this is my refrigerator. And it has 2 doors. It was gifted by my sister. So, shout out to my sister. On here I have a picture of my father and my aunt. And then my children when they were younger. And then like the recipe for Skyline back from home. A magnetic. And then I have some pendants from some magnets when we went to Vegas. Vegas is, you know, like a second home since I got married there. And then my baby liked to keep a couple of recipes. He has the Cajun style shrimp and grits and the hot water cornbread. And he normally keeps a couple of recipes at a time. And then on this side I keep like a little board for quotes. So this one is positive thoughts and a question mark. So stop thinking on negative thoughts and let positive thoughts resume your body. And then we just keep a couple of clips for like bags of food or whatever. And then we have this Cracker Barrel Hershey bar biscuits. And then like just a little flashlight. Keep that there. And then up here we just have like the little thing for the bread, but there's no bread. And then I have like my little lunch box and then a little personal creations blender that my homegirl Shanae got me. So that's that. And then I keep a little dish towel from when you wash your hands. You got something to go to. And then there is this water dispenser. So water, we don't really use it, but water does come out of it. There's no ice, so I'm going to go ahead and open my refrigerator, and then I'm going to start on this shelf and work myself around. So here we just have like different butters, country crock, and then we have some leftovers from some burritos my baby brought. This shelf, my baby likes Whataburger, so he has the jalapeno ranch and then some mayo. And then I have my caramel macchiato creamer, a couple of bottles of ranch dressing. We have some habanero sauce for tacos and the Roja sauce. My baby been keeping this Coca-Cola drink in here for like a month, but he just opened it, so that's that. And then we have my Worcestershire sauce, which is the star of my Grubn Gina sauce. And I also use the garlic in it, so that's, try to keep those together. Here we have the pickle owl, if you will. So we have sweet relish, hot dog relish, dill relish. My baby loves relish. Again, hot dog relish. So this is the relish style. We just have like some pickles, some mayo. Down here we just have a couple like A1 sauces. And then like some blue cheese, ranch dressing, stuff like that. And then lastly, we have our grand biscuits for breakfast. Some sauerkraut, spaghetti sauce if you're trying to eat healthy from H-E-B. And then we have some chili sauce. That's another thing sometimes I'll put in my Grubn Gina sauce. Moving right along up here, we have some water. I have a cup of ice from my breakfast this morning. We got some Jack Daniel coolers. Some leftover vegetables in here. We have my potatoes from when I used my bowls. We have some Pinot Grigio Moscato back there. And then I'm drinking on this right now, cherry and lemonade. On this shelf we have my yogurt, my Greek yogurt. And we have some strawberries. And then this is some limes and vegetables I cut up from earlier. Back here is my chia tea. We got some almond milk going on. The little red container here is my tea. And then this is my baby's tea. So I try to keep him tea at all time. When he run out, he'll put it on the counter and I'll just make him a batch. Down here, just have some random stuff. He has the leftover meal. Excuse me. We got some sauces for the tortilla chips, some water. My son, when he was here, he had that aloe vera water, so I've been drinking on it, taking shots of it. It's pretty good. Here is my drawer. This is like my healthy drawer. I have some strawberries. I have some cacio salami, some spinach, some romaine lettuce, some celery, some limes, cheese, shredded cheese, please, some mushrooms, some more yogurt, chobani. So my baby give me chobani or like this little Greek shit, but I appreciate it. I just appreciate it. Then my daughter has her drawer. She has Greek yogurt, some blueberries, and some other little stuff she keep in here, almonds. So that's that. So now I'm going to show you the freezer portion. I'm going to go ahead and shut this. So over here we have my mussels. I have 2 bags. I'm waiting to do a video on them. My baby said he'll cook them. I have some baking soda here just to keep the refrigerator going fresh. We have a couple of ice packs. Trust and believe, somebody always getting hurt in my house. My boys, my daughter, myself, my husband. So yeah, we just keep that. Here we got some quick freeze fruits. Got a little deep dish pizza, so I'm hiding that from my son. And we got butter. Butter on deck. And then my daughter has down here a couple of bags of rice and her shrimp, her frozen shrimp. And then my baby have like some different like nuts and sausages, and he love his little peppers. He keep going. Up here we have our bag of ice. I always try to keep the bush ice on that, and then keep this little area open for quick freezes on drinks. This is a quick, like an ice machine maker, but we don't utilize that. And then here we got like some crab cakes and hamburger meat, sausages here, hot dogs there. Here we have like some popsicles, My little Bush ice back there in a cup. Haven't used it yet. Frozen cheese. Cheese, please. Vegetables. Sausages and hot dogs. We also have our waffles we keep. Fillets. The tilapia. Fillets. They're so good. And we have some vegetables back there. Green peppers and stuff. And then my daughter has these mint chocolate chip frozen Greek yogurt thingies. She had a brown box, so I guess she just bought a new box on that. And then for this drawer, it's more of the vegetables my baby be cooking, the stir-fry vegetables. They're pretty good. You get them at like Walmart, Sam's actually. And then this is a different kind. These are the mixed vegetables, and they're really good. And we have a couple of bags of sweet potatoes. We got some hidden chocolate down here I seen the other day. Probably from when my son was here. So it's like a Snicker bar and a Reese's bar. If my kids knew what they would eat. And then my baby got a couple of drinks he marinating down here. This is the moonshine he got marinating. Also have a couple of roses. This is a bag of stem roses, and then I have a bag of just random roses that I like to use for like my vagina steam or my bathtub. So yeah, that is that part. Now this is in my kitchen. So I'm going to just show you real quick the freezer that's in my garage. But I'm not going to do like a haul. I'm just going to show you. That's me opening the garage real quick. So yeah, so it says spoiled rotten, I'm awesome and high maintenance. So this is our refrigerator here. And this is pretty much, if you look right here, this is my baby wants to get that out. This is my crab, king crab here. And then this is my box of crabs that he brought. And then there's some more tilapia fish and different ribs, bread going on, stuff like that. Alrighty. Well, I want to thank you for tuning into my channel today, Grubn Gina. And I thank you for coming along on the ride with me. If this is your first time viewing, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Also, y'all go ahead and hit that likes up button if you want to see more of hauls, like food hauls or just different type of hauls. I got you. I think I want to do a preview of our different sauces, or I don't want to say sauces, like different seasonings that we have here. My baby loves to cook, and then I like to cook, but he loves to cook, so he be buying all them foreign ingredients and shit. But yeah, so I'm about to get off this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Go ahead and hit that bell's notification so it'll remind you every time that I upload a new video.